Hi, my name is Stacy. I'm the manager for McCoy Enterprises, a transportation company, and I give Google Sheets a 5 out of 5. For Google Sheets, I use Excel, Microsoft Word, Adobe, um, a lot of the Microsoft products. I started using Google Sheets because it was convenient. It's easier for me to use on my phone to create different invoices and things like that, and it's easier to share. I started using Google Sheets a lot more because I travel a lot and it's easier for me on my iPhone to do the sheets, to manage them, to share them with different emails and different people. It's more convenient. It's easier to edit for me, and especially when it's a shared sheet, it's easier to edit from my phone using Google Sheets. It was very easy. The process to download the app, just to sign up using my email. Everything was very, very simple, very easy. Everything is easy to use. Nothing is really difficult. It's easy to figure out. And like I said, it's easy to share. It lets you share with multiple people, or you set your permissions on who can see what sheet. It's fantastic. I would definitely recommend Google Sheets for other businesses. I think that it's increases productivity and it makes things a whole lot simpler.